Hi, my name is Abdullah,
My name is Hao.
and we work with Umar Republic to get our bathroom redone. As you can see, yeah, did an amazing job. We went to a lot of different companies, got quotes. Not only did we get a great price, but I mean, look at this workmanship. This is very hard to come by in Yabana area. Like her and I, we have gone to a lot of different houses, a lot of different spaces. Before we bought this house, we've seen a lot, and this is unmasked. Not only did we love the price, the workmanship, but we also love the design.
Team.
Design team.
The design team was really wonderful. We worked with Marjorie, and she really listened to us and what we were looking for in a bathroom. And I didn't really know what particular style and stuff I wanted, but I had kind of like an idea and a vibe. And she gave us many ideas to choose from. And I really, really love how it turned out. I mean, I feel like every time we use the bathroom, we're like in a spa or like a thing.
You got to borrow the bathroom, which is a problem. We really appreciate what Umar Republic has done for us. All the work, the people that were here, Alex, Alec, love you guys. You guys did an amazing job. Marjorie, from the get go.
Respawn.
Ruslan, yeah, thank you so much. Mm, mm, mm. Love you.